Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because DJI just shook the entire action cam market with a surprise price twist and a release window that's now nearly confirmed. Leaked promotional footage has revealed the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6, showcasing what appears to be a major leap forward for the Osmo series. The star of the show is its rumored 1.1-inch CMOS sensor, with a variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture, promising sharper, more dynamic shots in any lighting condition. After months of speculation, the Osmo Action 6 finally surfaces following DJI's recent releases, the Osmo 360 and the compact Osmo Nano. Now, all eyes are on this next-gen action cam, expected to bring professional-grade imaging to a pocket-sized powerhouse. Leaker Igor Bogdanov has shared what seems to be DJI's first official promotional image, hinting that the Action 6 can record 4K video at 30 FPS for up to 2 hours on a 1,950 mAh battery. The new teaser also suggests that DJI is preparing a global launch soon. Rumored price of around $329, the Osmo Action 6 could redefine what compact adventure cameras are capable of, blending endurance, clarity, and cutting-edge design in one sleek package. Bright, sun-drenched scenes like beaches or snowy slopes, narrowing to f4.0 keeps your footage smooth and cinematic, without the hassle of ND filters. When the light fades, at sunset or in dim environments, opening to f2.0 brightens your shot and reduces noise, delivering crisp, clean visuals. It's the kind of flexibility that filmmakers and advanced users have been waiting for in a compact form. Design-wise, DJI has made thoughtful refinements. The familiar pill-shaped element beneath the front screen is gone, replaced by a minimalist white square beside the Action logo. This subtle change isn't just cosmetic. The color temperature sensor, once hidden in the O of the Action logo, likely lives there now. The result is a sleeker, more cohesive front design. A tiny new dot next to the logo hints at a possible new component, perhaps an ambient light sensor for automatic screen brightness, or a discrete microphone hole. If it's the former, this would be DJI's first move to separate display brightness control from the main camera sensor. Overall, DJI's philosophy shines through. Evolution, not revolution. Every tweak feels deliberate, every detail refined. With its adjustable aperture, elegant design, and smarter sensors, the Osmo Action 6 signals DJI's intent to elevate the action camera game once again. Multiple trusted sources have confirmed the leaks, and we already have real product images plus the core specs in hand. DJI isn't playing safe this year. They're going bold with a near 1-inch camera sensor, delivering a huge upgrade in low light performance and dynamic range. Paired with a variable aperture, this thing is stepping into cinema territory, letting creators nail exposure and achieve deeper, more dramatic background blur. Battery life? DJI is rewriting the rules with a massive 4-hour runtime, a huge leap beyond anything GoPro or Insta360 currently offers. This is DJI's moment to dominate the flagship action space, and so far, they're winning. Now, here's the release twist. Earlier rumors pointed to October 24th to 28th for the launch event, but fresh info from a major accessories brand confirms the embargo lifts before November 10th, 2025, meaning the announcement is guaranteed before that date, with pre-orders going live instantly and units arriving on shelves mid-November 2025. Pricing is shockingly competitive. $329 base bundle, $429 extras bundle, and $479 to $579 adventure bundle. High-end features at a lower than expected price? Vloggers, travelers, and pro users just got a new favorite camera. Now, compare the DJI Action 6 to Action 5 Pro.
Oh yeah, folks.
Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance, but only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's RockSteady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced RockSteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered horizon steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures.
Something big is coming, and if the whispers are true, the DJI Avata 3 is about to change everything we thought we knew about FPV drones. Leaks from Chinese social media have already given us our first glimpse, and wow, it looks nothing like its predecessor. The bulky orange bumpers? Gone. The chubby shell? Gone. What we're looking at now is a sleeker, sharper, and fiercely aerodynamic beast, built for speed, agility, and cinematic perfection. But here's where it gets exciting. The Avata 3 isn't just about looks. DJI has completely re-engineered its balance by shifting the battery backward, opening up the front for a new camera system that's rumored to house a full 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a huge leap from the Avata 2's smaller 1/1.3-inch sensor, meaning richer colors, deeper shadows, and ultra-crisp low-light footage. Imagine flying through a forest at sunset, or diving between skyscrapers at night. Your footage will finally look as epic as it feels. And about that release date, DJI's pattern hints at something big dropping between November 2025 and January 2026. Yep, just a few months away. The pricing? Still under wraps, but insiders say it'll land in the premium zone, likely around $1,400 to $1,600 for the base kit. It's not cheap, but if DJI delivers everything these leaks promise, it might just be worth every penny. The performance upgrades are just as thrilling. Early reports suggest up to 30 minutes of flight time, a huge boost over the Avata 2's 23 minutes. Add in newly optimized motors, a refined aerodynamic frame, and smarter power management, and you've got a drone that flies longer, faster, and more confidently than ever. And stabilization? DJI might finally break its FPV tradition with a mechanical gimbal, paired with enhanced RockSteady and horizon steady systems. That means even during wild FPV dives or rapid twists, your footage stays buttery smooth, like it was shot on rails. Safety's getting smarter too. The Avata 3 is expected to feature 360-degree obstacle avoidance, a massive upgrade from the Avata 2's limited sensors. For new pilots, that's peace of mind. For pros, it's creative freedom to fly bolder, closer, and faster. With AI-assisted flight modes, an upgraded DJI RC Motion 3 controller, and the sleek new DJI Goggles 3, this drone isn't just about flying, it's about feeling every moment in the sky. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 3 isn't just another FPV drone. It's the one that will make every pilot, creator, and filmmaker fall in love with flight all over again.